Over 2,100 dead, almost 500 of them children. The war in Gaza made 2014 the deadliest year for Palestinians since 1967. Now the very first stage of a legal process that could see war crimes charges launched. When the Palestinian president, Mahmoud Abbas, signed the Rome Statute, the treaty that governs the International Criminal Court, on the last day of last year, he also signed a declaration giving the court jurisdiction from the 13th of June 2014. The chief prosecutor of the court, Fatou Bensouda, has now launched a preliminary examination into events from that date, in effect an initial inquiry to see if she should launch a formal investigation. In a statement, she said, upon receipt of a referral or a valid declaration, the Office of the Prosecutor, as a matter of policy and practice, opens a preliminary examination of the situation at hand. Accordingly, the prosecutor has opened a preliminary examination into the situation in Palestine. The office will conduct its analysis in full independence and impartiality. From Jerusalem, the reaction was swift and angry. Prime Minister Netanyahu said, "It's absolutely scandalous that just days after terrorists butchered Jews in France, the General Prosecutor is beginning an inquiry against the state of the Jews, and this only because we defend our citizens from Hamas. Unfortunately, this probe renders the ICC part of the problem and not part of the solution." Experts, though, say the prosecutor's move is not politically motivated.
I think the Israeli authorities should understand that this is a judicial process, and inherent in that is impartiality and application of law to facts. They also need to understand that the prosecutor will be looking at serious crimes committed by Israelis as well as serious crimes committed by Palestinians.
It's almost 3 weeks since the Palestinians signed up to the Rome Statute. Their aim then was partly legal but also political. They knew that the legal process, now in its very earliest stage, was going to be extremely drawn out. Politically, though, in this highly charged period of an Israeli election campaign, they're already making waves. James Bays, Al Jazeera at the United Nations.